Hello everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate simple activity. I have a question for you. Are the crystals of salt really dry? Let us check it out. We will take some copper sulfate crystal in a dry test boiling tube. As you can notice, these dry crystals of copper sulfate is blue in color. Heat the test tube by holding it with a test tube holder on the flame of a spirit lamp or a burner. So in this case I am using a spirit lamp. Observe the color change. As I am heating, you will notice that the blue color is slowly fading and it is becoming white in color. You will also notice some droplets in a boiling tube which are obtained from water of crystallization. So, copper sulfate crystal, which seems to be dry, contain water of crystallization. And that's why when we heat it, this water gets evaporated and the copper sulfate crystals become white in color. That is, it becomes anhydrous copper sulfate. Now, let us put some water drops into the test tube. So let me add few drops of water to this dried copper sulfate crystal which is white in color. Now what do you observe? As I am adding water, you will find that the white color copper sulfate crystal again becoming blue in color. If you moisten the crystal with water, you will find that blue color of the crystal reappear. What is water of crystallization? Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecule present in one formula unit of salt. 5 water molecules are present in one formula unit of copper sulfate. The chemical formula of hydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4 into 5H2O. And when we heat it, these 5 molecules of water get evaporated and it becomes copper sulfate, CuSO4, that is copper sulfate anhydrous. And therefore, copper sulfate and water molecule get separated and therefore the color is white. And when we add water to it, and therefore it again becomes copper sulfate pentahydrate. That means it regains its water and copper sulfate becomes copper sulfate pentahydrate, that is CuSO4 5H2O. Isn't it interesting? For more magical experiments, stay tuned and subscribe my channel. If you like this video, you can share it and hit on the like button. Thank you.